This could end. You can try it, go ahead.